On September 11th, the Food and Drug Administration approved Moderna and Pfizer's updated mRNA COVID-19 vaccines. The CDC says the vaccines are effective at preventing hospitalization from severe illness and recommend them for all people 6 months and older. But Florida Surgeon General Joseph Ladapo claims that the recently approved vaccines lack human testing, adding that the CDC guidance isn't backed by data.
And she has made this statement without a drop of clinical trial data about these products that were just approved that say anything about their effectiveness or their safety in human beings.
We've received a lot of questions about this, including whether the updated mRNA COVID-19 vaccines were approved without human clinical trials. So let's verify using these sources. These claims are misleading. Here's why. When vaccines are first developed, like the original COVID-19 mRNA vaccines back in 2020, the FDA requires rigorous testing to determine safety and effectiveness before they're widely distributed and recommended to the public. Those tests include human trials. But the FDA says updated versions of vaccines do not need to go through as much testing because they're so similar to past versions, which is the case with the two updated vaccines. Both Pfizer and Moderna confirmed their new vaccines contain the same ingredients as previous formulas. The only difference is that the new versions carry mRNA designed to match the currently circulating XBB.1.5 strain. So back to the claims about human clinical trials. Both Moderna and Pfizer have tested their updated vaccines. Moderna conducted a clinical trial of a small set of human patients, while Pfizer conducted a preclinical study using mice. The FDA used this new data in conjunction with years of trial data from previous versions of the COVID vaccines to grant the recent approval. Yale Medicine infectious diseases physician Scott Roberts says this is a common practice with other vaccines, like the flu shot. With your Verify, I'm Ariane Datil.